What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new here. I would love to have you join my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in, and I would love to have you check out my previous videos if you have not seen them already. So as you guys read by the title, today I am going to be doing a Sunday reset, get it all done with me edition. So guys, I'm starting off with ironing my kids' uniform for the week. I am trying to be more intentional about getting their clothes prepared for the week rather than rushing each morning trying to get them ironed and on them. So I am just trying to get them all ironed up for the week, and then that way they'll be ready to go. All they have to do is grab them and put them on, and they'll be ready for them. So I don't actually have an ironing board, so that is something that is on my to-do list this year, is to get an ironing board. But I'm actually perfectly fine with ironing it on the edge of my bed, but I feel like an ironing board would definitely work much better. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Once I get done with this, I'll show you guys, and then we'll move on to the next task. And as I always say, guys, if you have some things to get done, play this back or get it done while you are watching. So I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll move on to the next task. And guys, another reason I wanted to get this out of the way is because I found that I actually do not like ironing. For some reason, it's just such like a tedious job, and I feel like I could be doing something else rather than ironing. And if it was not for my kids, I would probably not iron clothes. I just wear mine straight out of the dryer a lot, unless it's just something just like really wrinkled. But I just want them to, look really nice. So I try to make sure that I do iron those clothes for them, even if I don't iron mine. You guys comment below if you are the same way, or if you actually thoroughly enjoy ironing. Now I feel like a steamer would be nice too, so maybe I should add that to my to-do list as well. And this is where I'm placing them. I don't have like an actual place to put them, so I just place them on hangers for my kids to grab at it. And now, guys, there's always dishes. You guys know this. I have to clean these dishes, so I'm going to go ahead and start on this task now. There's not too many. There is a few of the bigger dishes this time, but I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this. I feel like if I go ahead and get it out of the way, then I won't have to worry about too many dishes in the sink when it comes to evening time to make dinner and things like that. So I definitely love to go ahead and tackle the dishes. Sometimes I do go overboard on the waters and the bubbles, because I kind of just cut it on and walk away from it, which is not a great idea. So don't do that, guys. But every time I just come to my water, it's like tons of bubbles in it, because I can't stop focusing on a bunch of things at one time when I'm trying to get stuff done. So yeah, but let's finish this up, and then we'll move on to the next task. And there we have it, guys. Dishes all done. This is my favorite part. And now I am going to tackle my countertops. I like to always do this after I have cleaned the dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my countertop. One of my favorite sprays is this Lysol lemon scent spray. It smells so amazing, guys. So amazing. And you guys already know, if you are not new here, this diffuser, I love it, especially now when it is the top of the year. It just gets those scents really going. I like to diffuse in the winter and then at the top of spring as well. Now guys, I am cleaning my windowsills because I do let my windows up a lot, so debris and dust kind of gets on the windowsill. And then the same thing with my trash can. I like to keep it wiped down because it gets kind of sticky and dirty as well, so I want to keep it clean. And now I'm just giving my stovetop a good scrub, guys. This is a flat top stove, so it doesn't have like any stove trays or anything in it, so I have to really keep it clean because it's kind of like a countertop as well. And then I just kind of like to clean out my microwave as well. And then guys, these are some candles that I got for decor, but they smell so good I just could not resist burning them, so I'm letting these burn as well to get the scents going in my living room area. And then I am just cleaning and tidying up our entranceway. My kids like to put their shoes here and they kind of get all over the place if we don't keep it straightened up. And then last but not least, guys, I washed some fresh towels for the week, so I went ahead and folded and put those up as well. I hope this was some motivation for you guys to get what you need to get done for the week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.